Hello and welcome back. Today we will explain what cognitive dissonance is using an everyday life example. In the idyllic town of Harmonyville, Lily embodied the spirit of environmentalism and sustainable living. As a devoted vegetarian and active community member, she aimed to minimize her ecological footprint. Yet, a secret weakness lingered within her. She yearned for the taste of a succulent hamburger, creating a dissonance within her beliefs. One day, Lily stumbled upon Temptation Burgers, a new eatery in town. Drawn in by the tantalizing scent, she faced a moral dilemma. Despite her reservations, she ordered a burger, only to be reminded of the detrimental effects of the meat industry on the environment. Overwhelmed by cognitive dissonance, she made a brave decision and refrained from taking a bite. Inspired by this experience, Lily approached the restaurant owner, sharing her dedication to sustainability. Together, they brainstormed ideas to promote plant-based alternatives. Temptation Burgers introduced a delicious plant-based burger, attracting both vegetarians and meat eaters. Lily's initiative gained traction, and the community embraced the concept of balanced choices. Driven by their shared vision, Lily and the restaurant organized events to raise environmental awareness. Cleanup campaigns, biking competitions, and vegetarian cooking classes became regular fixtures in Harmonyville. The town's unity and commitment to sustainable living grew stronger, thanks to Lily's efforts. As time passed, Harmonyville became a shining example of how individuals could find harmony within themselves and their choices. Lily's journey showcased the power of self-reflection and the willingness to challenge one's beliefs. In a world grappling with conflicting interests, her story inspired others to seek balance, unity, and the preservation of the planet. Within the tapestry of Harmonyville's story, Lily's narrative reminded everyone that the road to harmony often involved internal struggles and difficult choices. By embracing cognitive dissonance and acting upon it, individuals could pave the way for a more sustainable and harmonious future. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful psychology-based stories for everyday life.